Right, guys, we managed to get a cancellation. So Hania's driving test is in just over an hour. So how are you feeling, Hania?
Good. I'm very excited to do it.
That's what you said last time. Fingers crossed. Let's hope you do this time. Obviously, we were a bit unlucky last time, yeah?
Yeah,
Okay.
inshallah,
Guys, the way we managed to get a cancellation, a fellow DJ and instructor, I'll put you on a instructors group if anybody has got a learner who's not fully ready and would like to swap, because your original date was in April, wasn't it?
Yeah, 27, yeah.
And we had a fellow, like I said, a driving instructor whose learner was able to swap. So thank you to the instructor, whose name was Mamta. Right. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Guys, the weather's been pretty bad. Yeah, it has stopped raining now, but it was raining pretty bad. So I've decided not to film the outside, and do the maneuvers and all that now. Yeah, we will film as soon as we get to the test centre, and then obviously the result as well.
Yeah.
Hania's had, since we got this cancellation, Hania's had 2 lessons. Yeah.
Yeah.
And how did those 2 lessons go?
I don't know.
Because I'm like, what are you doing?
I don't know what's happened to me again.
Guys, this is what happens. When someone fails a test, they think, oh, I know what to do now. They get too comfortable or too confident. Yeah. Don't treat it as your first test. Yeah. Don't think, oh, obviously you've got that experience now, which should help you.
Yeah.
But it can backfire. Some people think, yeah, I know exactly what to do now. So yeah, it's going to be easy. It's not going to be easy. It's a practical test. It takes one fault to fail. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
so Hania's last 2 lessons, all I've been saying is slow down. And she's rushing for the clutch, rushing everywhere. Okay. So just slow it down a bit. Yeah. Okay. Right, guys. So test day, like I always do, maneuvers. We're going to go through all the maneuvers, and whatever spare time we have got, we'll probably go through some roundabouts. Yeah.
Okay.
And we will see you at the test centre.
Please pray for me, please.
But by the time they start praying, the result's already going to be there. It's not live. Right. Ready?
Yeah.
Right, guys, we are going to be turning into the test centre. As you can hear, it's pouring down. And our manoeuvres went okay, didn't they?
Yeah.
They weren't too bad. Refreshed a little bit. Was a little bit rusty with the steering too late and that, but we sorted that out. Did make a serious fault, had some traffic lights. Yeah, you didn't see you got confused with the lights. Turn right.
Yeah.
Turn right here for me.
Yeah.
So the filter lights, guys. Our light for turning right was red, and there was a green arrow pointing straight ahead. And Hania was about to go, so I had to stop her. But like I say, any faults you make before you test, keep going, steer to the right. Let's avoid the potholes.
Yeah.
It means they're not going to happen on your test now. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Promise.
Turn left into the car park, please. Turning left. Which gear, Hania? Go. You don't need to stop here. Get gear 1 before you get there.
Okay.
Okay. Slowly. Go to the right now. Check this side as well. Make sure it's safe. That's it. Keep to the left. Look at that car's coming here. So slow down. Keep it slow when you come back in here, okay?
Mm-hmm. Shall I?
Then we're going to go to the end over there. And stop here now. Stop.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, get reverse gear. And we're going to reverse into bay to our left. That's very close at the back. And yeah, go a bit more forward for me. Stop there. Stop. So when you're reversing there, yeah?
Yeah.
Where should you have been looking to stop when you want to stop?
At the back.
At the back there. Can you see the curve from there?
Here.
You should be looking at the camera or your reference point over there. You were just looking around there, yeah? And then you're about to hit the curb. Come on, just like I said, with your maneuvers, sorry, switch off the engine for me. With your maneuvers that we just practiced, that's what you were doing. You was just like, you didn't want to stop. You wanted to do it quickly in one movement. Yeah. Remember, on your test, you're going to get one maneuver. Take your time with it. Just how we've did it, on your lessons. Stop. Think, okay, what do I have to do now? Stop again. Yeah, you don't have to do it quickly in one go.
Yeah.
Okay, take your time. Even in your driving now, it was a bit fast, but we slowed it down again, and it's good.
Yeah.
Your main weakness that you know is that sometimes you get confused with your left and right. Yeah.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter if you go the wrong way. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like that one time, at the lights, when you got confused with the lights. I said to you turn right, and you'd signal left, and then again, I don't know if you were thinking about that. Then the mistake happened on the light.
Yeah.
That's what happened on your test as well. You went the wrong way. You were thinking about it, and another mistake happened.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter if you go the wrong way. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Repeat the instructions to yourself. If you don't understand anything, ask the examiner early. Okay. But if you have to go the wrong way, don't worry. You're a very good driver now. Okay, like I
Yeah.
said, don't think it's the second time I know what to do. Mistakes can happen
Yeah, of course.
easily.
Yeah.
Especially when
Anytime.
you start thinking, don't just, again, at one of the roundabouts, it was nice and clear. You were confused, you just wanted to get gear
Yeah.
one. Only get gear one when you know you have to stop.
Yeah.
Okay? Any questions?
No, thank you.
Okay, right. Do you want me to come on the test with you?
Yeah.
Right then, guys, we will see you shortly, yeah, with some good news, hopefully. Right, guys, so we have come back from the test. It's been about 10 minutes. I've driven to a car park nearby. Hania's got herself together again because unfortunately, it didn't go to plan. To be honest, again, it was very similar, to that test that Hania did before, her first test, where just for that one check, she did a bit late for the slip road. You know what I am going to do though? I'm going to do a actual drive. I'll do a drive with you on that test route, yeah? Okay, in a video in a few days, yeah, and talk you through exactly what happened, because Hania she drove again. It was it was brilliant. Apart from even that one thing was like another one where I think the examiner let her off because I'll talk about it in a second, yeah. Firstly, there was the examiner had an assessor. So sometimes examiners get assessed. So Hania wanted me on the test. So I was sitting there. Obviously the examiner was there. Hania was driving, and then there was an assessor there. So there was 4 of us in the car. Yeah, and that didn't seem to phase. That didn't affect you at all, did it?
No,
4 people in the car.
It doesn't affect me. Just telling me, just Hania, do like it's all your friends sitting with you in the car, and that's it. Don't worry about anything.
Yeah, and she did. You had the test route wasn't the easiest, like you said. You guys will see in the next few days. Yeah, I'll put it up. She followed the signs, did the big roundabouts, had a few minors for a couple of early signals.
Following the sign to Walsall.
Yeah.
Back to Wolverhampton.
Again, she didn't have the sat nav. Yeah, there's no sat nav. Yeah, okay, and so she just followed the signs. That's why I do that a lot with the learners. Yeah, because since the sat nav's coming, I feel a lot of instructors miss out the sign following. For me, I'd rather do that than the sat nav. Yeah, did all that. I'm sitting at the back there thinking, all good, everything's good. The one time there was a learner doing the reverse parallel park, also on test. So what I needed was she held back, which is good, but then there was more than enough space to go, but you were still waiting for the learner to fully park in, and there's a car behind us. Yeah, that was marked as a minor fault, but if you'd waited, I think I was there, just come on, go.
Yeah,
if
but
you'd waited,
because it's the learner still, the tire still like going in this way. I don't know what she will do, you know.
But she was reversing and she's out here. You had plenty of space. Yeah, if you have enough space, just make progress.
Yeah, but this is minor fault.
Yeah, that was minor. Yeah, so you didn't fail for that. Where you did, I did explain it to her, Hania, just before we started recording. Yeah, because I was like, "Are you okay putting this out there?" Yeah, okay. And Hania goes, "I'm totally fine with it."
Happy,
Which,
yeah.
you know what? Again, hats off to you for allowing us to do this. Yeah, so others can learn from it. But then, yeah, everything's going well. She had this really difficult roundabout, spiral marked, 4th exit. Yeah, did it excellent. Yeah, but just before that roundabout. Yeah, so I think you had about 5 or 6 big roundabouts.
Yeah.
Brilliant, yeah. And then this one mini roundabout we came to.
Very small.
The examiner says, turn left, first exit at the roundabout, yeah? So Hania's approaching the roundabout, she's signal left. Obviously, I think when she signalled, you could see it was safe, yeah?
Yeah,
okay.
it's everything.
But then,
I can
this
see
is
everything.
about 2 or 3 car lengths beforehand.
Yeah.
But as she got to the roundabout, you didn't look to the right like that. Yeah, your head was like this, and then after you enter the roundabout, then you had a look. Yeah, and you said to me earlier that you knew it was clear.
Yeah, because everything is like clear in front of me. There is no one there.
I totally get what
Everything
you're
is
saying.
safe.
I totally, you know, when I show you guys the roundabout and the view we had on approach, yeah, like, yeah, Hania is like Hania. Even if you're looking this way, you can see if there's anyone approaching or not from the right. It's not like a blind spot or anything like that. But obviously, the examiner is right there as well. You should have looked beforehand as well.
Yeah.
Even if you think it's clear or you can see it's clear just by looking at this,
Yeah,
obviously you've got to move
because
your head.
before the roundabout, it's clear, no one in there.
Yeah,
And just
when you signaled,
left,
yeah, well-
and there is still no one there.
When you signaled, did see you have a look then, but then as you get to the roundabout, just that one little look where your head didn't move. Your head moved like this just as you entered the roundabout. You did look, but you was too late then. Yeah, but I get you wouldn't have entered that roundabout if there was somebody coming because you knew it was safe. But that's not the point. Okay, so we can't blame the examiner for failing you for that. Okay, it's very unfortunate. Just like I felt the same on your first test. You know, when you joined the slip road, you checked too late. Yeah, but you were confused.
Yeah, but at least this one, it's behind me, but roundabout, it's front of me.
Yeah.
And I can see everything clear, no one in there, you know.
Yeah. So that was it. Obviously, again, you're feeling, obviously, it's not the best feeling.
I don't believe.
Hopefully, we can get another cancellation like we did with this one and we go again. Okay, but this is a reality of a driving test. Like, if we wanted to be fake, we could be like, oh no, we're not going to show this until you pass. And this happens to learners like a lot. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Hopefully, people can watch these videos and learn from them. Again, thank you so much, Hania. And guys, like I said, I'm gonna we'll do it together where we start from the test center, exactly what happened. We'll talk everyone through exactly what happened and where it happened, where you picked up your minors. Yeah, as I think that'll be good content for learner drivers who have got to take their test. Right, guys. Any advice? Anything you want to say?
Now it's I'm proud of it. I feel like you are very happy. You are proud of me. I feel it, even if you didn't see it.
Oh, the other thing I didn't mention,
didn't see it.
I am very proud of you. You know what? The examiner took Hania into Morrison's car park, and that car park here, I've never taken you there before.
Never,
yeah. But like a lot of learners, they miss out the markings there. There's a lot of giveaway markings. There's to drive straight in.
I checked the marking.
Yeah, you did brilliant. She did absolutely brilliant, really safe driving. Like I said, I was proud of how you drove. Yeah, okay. And yeah, it's like anyone who I take to the test, I don't like. Obviously, I want you to pass it, but as long as your driving standard is like that, yeah, I'm happy. I don't care if it's marked as a fail on my record or whatnot. Yeah. I know that was you're capable of being on the roads and you're a safe driver. Right, guys, we will see you in a video shortly where we're gonna just do a drive through and talk you through exactly what happened. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.